Hello there! Today we'll try our hands at baking a delicious, healthy banana bread with no sugar added. Let's take a look at our ingredients. A couple of ripe bananas, Greek yogurt or skyr, 2 eggs, whole wheat flour, vanilla essence, maple syrup, coconut fat, baking soda, cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Start by mixing your dry ingredients. 200 grams of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Once you've added them all to a bowl, make sure to mix it very well. Next, we'll be mixing our wet ingredients. To a separate bowl, break up the bananas and mash them well, followed by 100 grams of maple syrup, 120 grams of yogurt, and 2 eggs. Then mix this up. When your wet ingredients are all mixed very well, time to incorporate the dry stuff. Be careful not to overmix at this stage. Once the wet and dry ingredients are mixed, time to add 80 grams of melted and cooled coconut fat. Stir this as well until you get a nice silky mixture in the end. All that's left is to line a loaf pan with baking paper, pour in the mixture, tap it a few times to ensure no air bubbles are left. As an optional step, you can sprinkle some crushed nuts on top. I used crushed pistachios. Put it to bake in a preheated 180 Celsius oven for 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when you poke it with a toothpick and nothing will stick to it. Once out of the oven, leave it to rest for at least 15 minutes before trying to cut it. For the full recipe and detailed instructions, make sure to visit my website, newdadontheblog.com, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time!